Thank you so much for logging in today, Tuesday afternoon. Today is a very important topic, and I'm going to ask the question before let's move on to the main agenda. Do you think you have a alone time or me time kind of thing? You heard these things a lot. I'm sure you might have experienced a lot, but still the depth problem, the loan problem, the calls continuously from the call center or the people who are asking you money, they always call you messages. And I'm sure you are not one of them. I was one of them, but I did find out a way to get off that particular vicious cycle. And today I'm now financial freedom free. So today I will be going to share with you a very important thing of majorly in Indians. People are taking a loan against PPF, that is Public Provident Fund. And let's understand that what are the kind of points we need to take into consideration when you take into a loan against PPF. Now, here I will not going into so deep about these things. It is the 4 important points which you need to understand, and then you can just cross check with your bank, because the bank will be the better persons who can guide you, because they have continuous the forms and everything are there. So as of now, it has been not been dematerialized like online kind of things. You have to go to bank and everything. So here I will be sharing with you 4 points which helped me a lot in getting a loan against PPF, and probably that might help you also. Yeah. So this is Mahesh Kadhavan. I am a financial freedom mentor, and I help middle career professionals to be financially literate and make them achieve financial freedom. My mission is to help 1 lakh middle career professionals to be financially literate and make them achieve financial freedom. Just a request, please do subscribe and like my channel and follow it and click on the bell icon if you are new to this particular channel, because this will help me a lot to generate more and more, to come with you more new financial literacy lessons to you, so that you can understand and how you can be a financial literate and achieve those principles and achieve the financial freedom. Okay, so let's now move on to the mind map. Okay, the 4 points which you need to understand is very, very important, because these points literally will seal the fate, because this is what I have personally, I have done that. So it has really given me a good returns and a good benefit. So it's up to you also. You can just go through it and get it checked with your advisors as well. So the 4 points are Form D. It's a form which you need to fill. I will go into deep into that. The second is eligibility. The third is what is the interest rate. You have to understand that, and what is the amount of loan you can take, because this is not a typical loan product where you can put some collateral and you can do. Collateral means what? You're giving something to the bank or to lender, who in fact will use that collateral or will keep that collateral till the time you repay all the loan. In case if you're not repaying or you're not able to repay, what he will do, that he will either sell that collateral, use that collateral for his own benefits and take that money. Simple. So without collateral, there is only one loan which you can get, that is about the personal loan. But that also now it has been very, very systematic and very, very, very hard to get, because see, the problem is not hard in receiving the money. His problem is how you repay the money, because rate of interest is very high, and also many factors are depending on that. I will be soon coming with personal loan as well. Now let's move on to form number D. What is exactly the form number D? So this have to be form filled up by the account holder. So the people who are listening to this video, watching this video, please understand this is to be filled only by the account holder. No bank will allow you to enter the details other than the account holder. Now, if account holder is above 60, so no worries about that. You will get, you have to go to take that form from the bank and go to the person who is senior and just sign all the documents and everything. Now, it has to be against his or her PPF account, that is clear. So by stating your account number and a home amount of loan, what you want to apply. Okay. And it should be signed by the account holder. Simple. The PPF account passbook should be there, should be attached. And before that, I would rather suggest that take it updated passbook. So if, for example, 2 to 3 months, you are not taken any passbook entries on that passbook, don't worry about that. Just go to the bank, first take the printout, latest printout and everything, get it readily updated, then go to the bank and then ask for the form for the loan. Okay, and submit to the bank. Post authorities will check whether what is the happening and this is things. So this is one which I was speaking about, the form number D. Now let's speak about the second point, that is eligibility. What is the eligibility? Now eligibility is that loan can be availed only from third to the fifth financial year of the account. Remember why I'm saying this. The account, when it is open, the first and second year, you can't do anything. So you can't withdraw. So that is a very, very important benefit which the government is giving to you. Why? Because till that time, you can accumulate. Because this product is ultimately a retirement product. This is exactly which will help you in diversifying your, this is one of the diversification asset product which will help you a lot. So this is very, very important. You need to understand that the first and second year, you accumulate as much as possible if you think that you want to loan in third and fourth and fifth, sixth year. Okay. And then you can go against and take that, because otherwise loan will be very less. Say for example, if you're doing only 500 rupees monthly, it comes to around 12,000, 35,000, 3,500. So it is really very, very, very this. And if you put it monthly 500, it comes to 6,000 rupees. So it will never do anything good to you. Even if you take the loan, for that also you can take the loan from other people also who can give you better loans. Okay, now for example, if I will give you an example so that you can understand. If the account was opened in 2020 and 21, so loan can be availed from 2022 and 23, and it will be short-term loan for 36 months, and it should be repaid by death. Okay, so it will be a short-term loan for 36 months, that is 3 years. Before that, you belong that you cannot take it. So it should be availed from 2023, 2020 if the account is open. So the loan can be applied from availed from 2022 to 2023. So this is really very important, why you need to have this kind of information. Okay, now if we move on to the third part, that is the amount of loan. Now, the maximum amount of loan can be availed is only up to 25%. Now, why I'm saying is that if in the PPF account, at the end of the second year, immediately preceding the year in which the loan is being applied. Now, why I'm saying that, I will say an example. If the account holder is applying for loan in 2022 and 23, okay, then the 25% of the PPF account balance credited as on 31st of March 2021 will be applicable as maximum loan amount, because they are taking the previous financial year. They're not taking the current financial year. So this is again a benefit, indirect benefit, which the government is giving to you, because they are trying to avoid you don't take loan against this PPF. But if the conditions are worse, there is nothing else which you having, your sold your insurance policy, you've got everything, but still the money is not there and you want, then PPF you can go. So government is doing every bit in making this product a retirement product. But we as an individuals, we need to be financial literate, understand the importance of each of the investment, not only the PPF, be it insurance, be it gold, be it real estate, anyone, because everyone has his own benefits and disadvantages as well. So it is up to you how you can take it and how you can make it. Okay, so this is what the whole amount of the loan you can take it. Now this is very important, because this you can get the exact amount. So whenever you go to the counter and ask for the details that saying I have to avail a loan, they will check in the system and I will give you the exact number. If you want more calculation, you can sit with them and then understand. They will not share you the calculations. Probably in government people, they never share you. Because in private banks you can get it. This is what my experience, because whenever I go to public bank, I never get that experience. So possibly it might be different for you. So you can go and change that. And if you have a good contact, that they can explain you how these calculations work, and possibly it can make you a financial literate as well. So this is very important. Now, the rate of interest. Now, this is very important. Rate of interest. The interest applied on the loan is as low as 1% per annum. Okay, and if the amount is repaid before the end of 36 months, now this is very important. The rate of interest is applicable on the loan is as low as 1% per annum. Now, if the amount is repaid before the end of 36 months. Now, this is very important, because if you are repaying before the end of 36 months, Okay, after 30 the rate of interest will be 6%, but before 30 the government is giving you a good benefit of 1% per annum. So this is the lowest interest product which you can get, and there is no other product which can give you so much low rate of interest. Even if you go to the market and get the loan from private lender, you will get more than this. So this is a really very important, and why they are asking you to repay the loan fast, because again, the motive behind this product in launching this product is about retirement. So don't use unnecessary use of these funds. Just keep it for your retirement so that it can help you a lot. And this is what made me a very good financial advisor. I learned a lot from this product, and that is why I thought that let's make this video and educate you so that you can learn what I have done. So that is very important. But after that also 6% is more than enough. 6% now around 6.5. Now this is, I'm talking about 2022 Feb. This video is recorded on 2022 Feb. So possibly the rate of interest was 6.5 home loan. So possibly it might come down. So it's not like thing like that, but still it's very good. They might change the interest as well. So we never know what the government is coming all about. Okay, now the points to note is that we have summarized everything. The points here is very important that only one loan can be taken. Okay, you can't take multiple loan like we can take from other collaterals or is this asset. Okay, but the second loan cannot be provided if the first loan can be repaid. So if the first loan is not repaid till now, you cannot get the second loan. A PPF account is a very important, old, trustworthy, okay, and very friendly for long-term savings. So understand the objective of this particular investment product and why you need the loan. That is very important. If your why is more than what you need, then go for it. But if you think that why is unnecessary, discuss with the family, discuss with the professional financial advisor, and ask them opinion what about this, and then go about it, because otherwise it will be a mess for you, because you are unnecessarily using this product which is used for the retirement purpose. So hope this was a very good video, and must have given you some ideas and about it. Very soon I will be introducing the calculator as well. I'll be bringing on the PPF calculator, wherein you can calculate the interest, how much you're getting in that particular account, and you can use that calculator, free Excel calculator you can download, and you can use it so that you can know what is happening with your PPF account, and you can make better decisions. This will help you to make more better investment decisions so that you can plan accordingly. Accordingly, you can plan your, create your financial goals based on this particular investment product as well. Okay, thank you so much. Click on this thing and be subscribed, and click on the bell icon to follow for more updates. And this video is for you. This is Mahesh Kadarwal signing off for today.